Welcome to our technical channel Ganesh Piping. Today is the second episode of the well intervention, and today we are going to see a very special topic, that is the wireline operation. Wireline operation is a very important event in the well maintenance. If you are into the maintenance of oil wells, then you may be aware of the wireline operation. So today, without fail, watch this video till end. And once again, before we start this video, I request you to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and also share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Thank you and have a fantastic training. So the term wireline operation is a general term used in oil and gas industry and is applicable to tools that are suspended into the well by means of wire, cable during inspection and maintenance of well. Wireline operation may include slick line and electric line operations. Operations completed through the use of wireline includes logging, perforating that we are going to see afterwards, setting of downhole tools, finishing, boiling and swabbing. So what is this wireline? Like for example, suppose this is the well. Well is nothing but that pipe which is coming up. On top of that we have welded. Again on top of that we have the production tree. So on the production tree we have seen that swap connection on the top. So when you remove that, you fix the wireline tool. So that wireline tool will insert the wire inside that well bore. Inside the well bore we have production tubing. Inside that you can insert those tools. So that tools can be anything. It can be some perforation gun. So what is perforation gun, that we will see. Because there you can even insert the submersible pump for downhole electric submersible pump, that what we have seen. So that is called as the wireline operation. That is, you are using the wire that will be inserted through the swab wall on top, or if the well has been completely taken for maintenance and if there is a zero pressure, then you remove the production tree, nothing will come up because already there is no pressure. So then you can fit that wireline device on top of the wellhead and you start the wireline operation. So here we have a small video about the wireline operation, and that will give you a quick idea about how this operation is all about.
Like many operations in the oil and gas service industry, wireline operations is a 24-hour-a-day job. Crews may work long hours in any type of weather to respond to customer needs.
This is basically shown as the
wireline operations
onshore.
Usually involve lowering and retrieving specialized equipment into the well, some for testing and some for plugging off zones in the well. Here, a three-man crew from Long Car Services shows us how a slick wire line is set up. First, by installing the blowout.
So now the production tree has been removed.
Assembled on the ground and the wire is threaded. Some can hold over 2,000 pounds and reach depths of 30,000 feet. After the string is together, a crane lifts the unit into place where it's secured to the top of the wellhead.
It will be sent downhole inside the well, and it will perform certain functions. And what are those functions? Some of them we will see afterwards.
Once the pressure is applied, the wellhead is open and the wire line is run into the well.
So this is the wire which is wound on that. This is a wheel actually on which that wheel. winded on that. So this wire is now going inside.
They're actually slick wireline to retrieve tools that have become stuck deep inside the well during another company's service work. Slick wireline operators are sometimes part detective and part fisherman, since they have to figure out how to grab something they cannot see nearly 3 kilometers below the surface of the earth. RS. They're resourceful.
These are all the tools which are fixed at the
services industry.
tip of that wire. So this is the wireline operation.